Namaste everybody. Today I am going to share with you notice writing. Whenever we start the writing section, two questions must arise in our mind: how to write and what to write. How to write means format, and what to write means content. So, first of all, we come to the introduction. If we see the introduction, how do you communicate? One to one or one to many? One to one or one to many? One to many for a period of time. Now, what is a notice? It's a formal means of communication. And what's its purpose? To announce, display information to a specific group of people, to be pinned up on a specific display boards in schools, public places, and a newspaper. Some important contents are here. First line in the notice writing, we write down name of the organization issuing the notice. Second, we come the title notice. Third, we come catchy heading or subject or headlines to introduce the subject. Fourth, we come the date of the notice, and fifth, we come body of the notice. And sixth, writer's signature, name in the capital letters, and designation. Now we see the format here. Suppose we have written at the top name of the organizations. If you see here, you will find out here is your name of organizations. You can write down the date here. Then you can write down here notice after leaving one line. Then heading. Heading change from person to person, but the sense of the notice writing should not change. Now this is your body part. This is your body part. In the body part, you have to write down the content. Contents may be your subject, may be your venue, time, date, etc. And here you have to write down signature, then name, and then designations. Now in the detail we see the format, then it will be more clear to you. You see this format, you see. First line in the box, you see it is box, it is given. No need to write down the box, you can write down directly also in the line. Name of the institution, here will be written name of the institutions. Here will be written name of the institutions. One line you will keep vacant, then you will write down notice. Again one line you will keep vacant, then you will write notice will be written in capital letter. And name of the institution should be written in capital letter. This is advised to you. Now next you see again one line vacant you will give, then this box, third box you see title of the subject or description of the subject means heading. Then you can write down the date. Date you can write down upper parts also, left side also, right side. Date should be anywhere before the body parts. There is no any mandatory rules. Now we come the contents. Contents we see including schedule, date, time, and venue. This one you see. Date, schedule, time, and venue. Thereafter left side we come, after leaving one line we put signature. Then who am I? If I am writing the notice, who am I? Am I a monitor? Am I captain? Am I secretary? Am I a principal? Whatever. What is my name? Then my name will be written here. And what is my designation? Designation means you are authority for what? Either you are principal or captain or monitor or head boy. You will write down here all these things. This is all about the format of the notice. I hope that it will be more clear to you. But one thing I would like to say you, whenever you are writing the notice, you must write down the notice in a single page. Nothing should be written in that one. No other question should be written here. Now we are coming to the point here, something we have to keep in our mind also, points to remember. 5 things you have to keep in your mind. 5 W. What is going to happen? The event. Where it will take place? The venue. When it will take place? Date and time. And who can benefit from the information and whom to contact. These 5 W's keep in the mind. One more thing I would like to explain you, that notice should be written in the passive voice. If you see the display, in the passive voice it should be written in the box, and word limit is 40 to 50 words. And one thing must be clear to you, that only words in the body are counted, means body parts. If you see the body parts, only body parts words are counted, not everywhere words are not counted. Suppose this is your body part, here only words will be counted, here words are counted, not anywhere other places, only here words are counted. This word whatever you are writing, this word you are writing, this word you are writing, this word you are writing, these are not counted in the words. Clear? Now we come to the point here, that how many types of notice are. You see, mainly there are 6 types of notice. First one, notice meeting, notice event, notice lost and found, notice appeal warning, notice camps, exhibitions, tours, notice change of name. These are 6 types of notices are. So out of 6 types, 5 types of notices are coming frequently in our examinations. Lost and found, sometimes it is coming, but appealing it is coming, meeting it is coming, event it is coming, tour it is coming. 4 one is very important, you can say this one, this one, this one and this one. These are 4 types of notice writing, it is coming frequently in our examinations. Now we come to the point here, the marking scheme. We would like to know about the marking scheme. If you see the marking scheme, the name of the organizations, 1 mark. Suppose if you see heading and date, 1 mark. Name of the organization, notice if you are writing, heading and date you are writing, this is containing 1 marks. Name of designations, half marks. Placing the notice within a box, if you are writing in the box, then this is also half marks. And content and language, 2 marks. So if you see the division of the notice writing once more again, here if you see this one, 1 half, this is your half, 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 and this only box, if this box has been made, now this is also, here you are getting 2 marks, and this if you are writing about this one, you are getting 2 marks, 1 2 3. About this one, sorry, half marks you are getting here, half, half, half and half. The 2 marks here, 2 marks here, means you are getting the 4 marks. Now we see some of the home assignments I have given here. You try to do this one, and I hope that it will be beneficial for you. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you all.